podcast. Today we talk about how can you add industry on your LinkedIn Learning app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on my Learning down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, just go above your name, click on it here. Then you come to your profile, go above this sign, click. So you click in this sign here, so then it's going to take you to this list. Go down here, so then you click here on account settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here, just waiting to open video. So then all you have to do now, just click here on account preferences. So then come to this list, you click here on name and location and industry here. So then you click here on industry here, so then can you search for it here. So search for any industry, then you just click on it here, then you click here on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.